This question from Katsu Muhammad. She asks, once the passing of the wife, do all the jewelries are given to the husband for Faraid? What if the jewelry is with one of the daughters and then all the jewelry is supposed to go to the husband but she doesn't have a wasiat? How? So for Katsu Muhammad, we have to answer this first question. How many people are within your Faraid circle? Husband is one, daughter or daughters is there. She mentioned daughters. Are there sons? Are there parents involved? And so specifically for her jewelry, since she mentioned this, we can also just say that if when she passes away and there is no wasiat, the Faraid shares for the daughters are actually 2/3 of her entire estate. Can she leave instructions to say, please give the jewelry to my daughters as part of their Faraid inheritance? Do not sell the jewelry, give it to them as a whole, as part of that 2/3 from Faraid. Absolutely, she can. She can write up a letter of wishes to give instructions to the next of kin to be able to carry out what she wants done. Most importantly in this case, have a wasiat, because then she can appoint the correct person in charge to carry out her last wishes, inshallah, in accordance to Islam, accordance to the agreement of all the beneficiaries. And so the short answer for all of this is really have a wasiat, have a letter of wishes, really understand what you want and then pen it down. We've done hundreds of wasiats for our clients and very common questions like this. The next question I have for Katsu Muhammad is, what about the other way? What if the husband passes away? Right? Because the husband does have some assets, and if those assets go to the wrong people, is that the right thing for the rest of the family, the next of kin? It's a tough question to answer. And so Katsu, I hope this helps and answers your question. Look out for more Tanya Afiq. Send me your questions in the comments below. Let me know what some of your toughest scenarios, some of your most interesting things that you've seen, especially when it comes to pewarisan and harta pusaka. My name's Afiq. See you at the next one. Assalamualaikum.